Hi there, welcome to Silicon Garden. So today we will be unboxing the Texas Instruments DRV69M-Kit. So as you can see, it comes pretty well packaged. I ordered this from Mouser. Let me get rid of this box. So to start with, okay, this was actually on the inside. So this is just like the standard terms and conditions for the evaluation modules. It just tells us that we shouldn't be using this for any kind of production purposes. So it doesn't come with a heatsink, so you'll be pretty stupid to use it for a production purpose. So as you can see, it looks like a pretty nice box, comes well packaged. Let's go inside and see what's in there. So a lot of protection in here. So to start with, we get this CD. So this is the Code Composer Studio. But they do recommend that we download the latest version from the website. Then we also have a USB pen drive over here, which comes with all the software we need to get started with programming this kit. Again, for this as well, they recommend that we download the latest version from the website. Then after this, it seems that we also have some kind of jumper cable. So this is some kind of tiny jumper cable that we have over here. I'm not sure, maybe we have to short some pins on the inside afterwards. We'll check out the manual for that in the next video. So let's take out this. Oh, this is packed really well. So I just opened it about a few minutes ago. So like you just need to pull this off and then push downwards gently, and you should be able to get the entire kit out. So it also includes a nice what is this? It's a mini USB. So that's nice of them. That's what you use to program the chip on here. The chip is a 28069M. It's part of the Piccolo 2000 series. So as you can see, it comes packaged well in a static, anti-static bag. Let me take it out of its box. So like first impressions, it looks incredibly well built. Like I've seen a lot of kits. So I've seen some of the ST kits, I've seen some of the, I don't know which ones they were. I think ST, and I've seen another Renaissance. So Renaissance does have good heat sinks, but the amount of time it takes to procure one, you might as well just get one of these TIs. Like you need to file a request, RFQ, a request for quotation, and then they'll get back to you with the pricing, and it's not really worth the headache. So as you can see, like the connectors, they look solid, and they can look like that can actually support the amperage that they say they do. So as you can see, we have our inverter circuit here, we have our bootstrap capacitors, we've got a potentiometer over here, like which will be used for the speed control. Then this is our main chip, the driving chip. So this is detachable, and you can actually buy different chips like depending on your requirement. So this has a mini USB and a micro mini USB and a micro USB, as you can see in there. Now the good thing about this is it comes with an inbuilt debugger that's over there, and this is the main processor. So you don't need an external debugger as with some of the other cards. Then this IC over here that you can see, this one, that's the pre-driver circuit, that's the DRV8301 around which the entire board is built. So let me get this back in its place. We also have a buck converter here. It supports up to 1.7 amps. So if you want to connect any external sensors, these are our battery inputs. And we have our Hall sensor inputs and resolver input over here, and this is like general purpose input output, and we have a JTAG connector over here in case we want to do some use an external debugger or of some sort. And yeah, that's the kit. So we'll get more into this in the next video about how to use the driver and things like that. Thank you. Can keep watching.